In this video, we are currently having a Bitcoin dip during a flash during a Black Friday sale. What will happen right now for the Bitcoin price, and then ano ba yung ating latest analysis? Stay tuned guys to find out, and let's see where is the crypto market heading right now. So, how is everyone guys? Welcome to the live, and yeah, I think this is an emergency live of course kasi this is not an expected move. And yeah, medyo late yung ating video today because yeah, I had a lot of things to do today. But yeah, right now let's talk about the Bitcoin price, and right now we are seeing this dip, and let's give you a quick recap on our previous analysis. So let's give you a quick recap sa ating previous analysis. So previously we were following this descending triangle. So descending triangle, this is the movement, and traditionally this is a bearish pattern. But we actually had that breakout to the upside. So ito yung nagkaroon tayo ng 4-hour candle close above, indicating na we have a confirmed breakout. However, take note. However, guys, we did not see any buy volume. Remember, what I always tell you, in order to confirm if it's a full and confirmed breakout, it must have, number one, a 4-hour candle close. Number two, a buy volume. And look at that, we did not see any buy volume. Diba kaya nag-post ako kanina earlier today, not sure kung nakita nyo yun, pero yeah, I posted this post earlier today na we did not see, and you know, movements like this are more likely going to lead into a fake out if we still don't see any buy volume. Ngayon, Bitcoin no buy volume breakout. So yeah, those are the things na you need to worry if we are not seeing any buy volume. So right now, we did not see any buy volume. That led to a fake out, and look at that. We are actually rejected exactly by this red resistance area. So this red resistance area is actually a pretty significant area din, kasi if you're going to zoom out, this area is also the previous resistance noong Bitcoin price. So yeah, that is actually a pretty strong resistance right now for the Bitcoin price. But yeah, you need to follow this Bitcoin price action kasi of course the whole crypto market is very dependent on the Bitcoin price action, especially when the whole crypto market is following the Bitcoin dominance fundamentals. You need to be very cautious with your different trades, especially if you are an altcoin lover, or let's say you're maximalist with any altcoins. Still, you need to follow you still need to follow the Bitcoin price action. But yeah, so that is for the Bitcoin price, and then let's give you a quick assessment on what we are seeing right now. So we saw this Bitcoin dip, and yeah, nagkaroon tayo ng dip. And let's look at the movement ngayon, kung ano ba yung technicals ngayon na nagsasabi sa at pwede nating tingnan. So let's look at the 50 moving average. You can see it's pretty much moving down. 200 moving average in the 4 is also down. Let's look at this in the daily. Looking at this in the daily, sobrang layo pa. So let's use another chart na ating fina-follow, and that is actually the MA chart. So this is our moving average chart, and as you can see, I think this is a good news, guys. Ngayon ko lang nabuksan itong chart ulit. So let's try to clean this chart before we head into our analysis with the Bitcoin price action. So I think this is indicating a good buying opportunity. So let's give you a quick recap. So let's hide the 200, let's hide the 20, let's hide. Okay, that's it. Siguro delete muna natin to. And then let's use this 100 moving average. Kasi look at this, guys. Ito yung matagalan natin fina-follow with the Bitcoin price action. And diba yung previous dip natin, nung nagkaroon ng dip si Bitcoin, we actually said na it's more likely going to have a rebound if we are going to touch a moving average. And look at this, we touched that moving average exactly, and then nagkaroon tayo ng pump to the upside, indicating that that was a good buying opportunity. So right now, the Bitcoin price is actually at that similar area. And I think na we are now seeing this possible. I think this is a good buying opportunity right now for the Bitcoin price action. So if I were you, I would be buying off from the dip dito sa ating spot wallet. And yeah, in terms of futures trading, I don't think it's a good thing to futures pa, not unless we see any bullish trend reversal signal. So right now, we are not yet seeing any bullish trend reversal signals, but however, we are indicating now we are currently seeing this massive support right now for the Bitcoin price. And I think this is going to hold the line. Kasi look at that. This is a pretty significant move, oh. Ayun, no. I think everything is still on track pa din, especially if you're going to look at this in the bigger time frame. The smaller time frame can say na hindi na, let's say yung kanina, 'di ba, yung previous analysis natin sa smaller time frame, hindi siya nag-play out, especially with that. Ito, hindi tayo nagkaroon ng buy volume. But look at this, ating bigger time frame is actually playing out exactly pa din. So right now, It's actually looking pretty good right now for the Bitcoin price. So it's actually a good buy opportunity. So let me know guys, are you currently buying or selling? We actually have a poll down below kung ano yung tingin nyo na mangyayari or ano ba yung gagawin nyo ngayon right now with the Bitcoin price. So let me know guys, are you buying or are you selling? So yeah, so that is for the Bitcoin price, and pretty much this is a good buying opportunity right now. I don't think na it's a bad thing. This is actually a good thing. And I think we have been mentioning this in, in multiple videos na nga na ano, 'di ba? Itong bigger time frame kasi if you're going to zoom out, let's look at this again in the RSI. We saw that declining price, increasing price, declining RSI that indicated a bearish trend reversal. So look at that. We saw a movement to the downside. Same goes dito, bearish trend reversal, may bearish indicators. So right now, what we need to look at with the Bitcoin price is we need to have a bullish trend reversal signal. So in order for us to see a bullish trend reversal signal, we need to see or we need to find a bullish divergence. So right now, we don't have any bullish divergence yet. As you can see, the RSI is not increasing as opposed dito, increasing RSI, declining price, that would indicate na that is a bullish trend reversal. So right now, wala pa tayong ganun. So yung ating i-monitor right now with the Bitcoin price. And yeah, looking healthy pa din tayo. And may nakita ko nagtatanong, safe ba na abang ako sa 50k to buy sa spot? No, that's not a good thing. It's never a good idea na mag-abang sa isang price level. Lagi ko na to sa inyo sinasabi guys, when you are going to buy, don't always wait for the lowest dip. What you need to do is you have to follow dollar cost average strategy. And ano ba yung dollar cost average strategy? So let's say meron kang ano ngayon, meron kang 3,000 pesos. So dollar cost average strategy, hatiin mo yung pera mo into 3 or more buying opportunities. So let's say 3,000 US dollars or 3,000 pesos. Hatiin mo siya into 3. So yung 3,000 mo magiging 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. So ngayon meron ka ngayon tatlong buying order. So pwede mong gawin is yung unang 1,000, buy now ka na. Yung second 1,000, ibabay mo siya pag nag-drop siya to 52,000. And then another 1,000 if nag-drop siya to 50,000. Ngayon, bakit ba natin siya ginagawa? Bakit di na lang tayo mag-buy ng isang bagsakan sa 50k? Ba't di na lang natin abangan yun? Well, ito yung problem dun kasi guys. What if nagkaroon ng dump and then nag-consolidate dito tapos umakit na siya. Tapos hindi na umabot ng 50k. Ngayon, sino kawawa dun? Of course, yung kawawa dun, yung mga nag-abang sa 50k na hindi nakabuy. So that's why I keep on telling you guys na you should always buy the dip following dollar cost average strategy kasi we are not always sure kung saan tayo makita ang lowest point possible. So in that case, we are going to maximize each and every buying opportunity. Hindi lang sa 50k, we are going to maximize 55k, we are going to maximize 53k, 52k, 50k. In that case, we are going to take each and every opportunity with the Bitcoin price action. So, ganun yung ating strategy dito, guys. Hindi tayo mag-aabang ng isang level lang. We need to follow dollar cost average strategy. So, ganun yung dapat yung gawin when it comes to, especially in spot wallet. That's actually a good thing sa spot wallet. So, ang masasabi ko, when it comes to spot wallet, dollar cost average, in futures trading, I think ang pinakamaganda dun is you need to wait for a breakout or a bullish trend reversal. So, right now, wala pa tayong ganun. So, yeah. Yun yung pinakang main point talaga when it comes to dollar cost average strategy. And yes, sa mga hindi nakaalam, I actually bought the dip na. Nag-buy ako ngayon actually sa Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and CRO at the current market price ngayon. So, nag-buy ako sa kanila. But yeah, we are going to dive in dito sa kanila mga price action after this part. And guys, if you want to support the channel, guys, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat, which you can actually find dito sa ating chat down below. Meron yung $sign. So if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito. So yeah, that is for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, let's look into other altcoins naman. So before we look into altcoins, siguro let's take a quick look with the take a quick look with the Bitcoin dominance. Kasi of course, the whole market is dependent with the Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng massive pump dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance. Let's try to clear these indicators. So look at this. It's not actually pumping, it's not declining, it's actually moving sideways right now itong Bitcoin dominance. But yeah, look at this. It's actually pretty much declining right now, indicating na people are currently buying the dip across the altcoin market. Because look at that. That is a massive red candle right now. So it's indicating na people are currently buying the dip sa altcoin. So if you're not buying the dip, then I don't know what you're doing. Kasi everything is showing right now that this is a good buying opportunity. And I think look at this. Bitcoin is now starting to have a buy volume dito. Nagkakaroon siya ng buy volume, but yeah, you should be buying off the dip dito, especially na this is a re-entry opportunity. And also, yun nga, the daily time frame chart is indicating na that is also a good buy. So yeah, right now, yun yung ating ginagawa dito. And yeah, for the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see, I think it's pretty much moving sideways, though it's currently declining ng paunti-unti. But that is still a good thing. Ayan o. Good thing pa din naman na kahit papaano, nagkakaroon tayo ng movement to the downside. That will indicate na currently, mas nagpe-perform better yung altcoins natin. So yeah, with that being said, let's look into altcoins na talaga. Let's look at Ethereum. So first things first, Ethereum. And ito, nag-play out exactly as predicted yung ating Ethereum analysis. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, you need to monitor this ascending channel. And you can actually take profit when we reach this, ito, for $4,500, which is yun yung ating Ethereum ascending channel resistance. And congratulations if you took that trade, if nag-take profit ka dyan. And then diba sabi ko sa inyo, ang good re-entry opportunity right now for Ethereum is the $4,000. I keep on saying the $4,000 kasi look at this. If you're going to zoom out, $4,000 is actually a previous resistance. And previous resistance is going to act as a strong support. So ayun, support. And right now, we are actually at a buying opportunity right now for Ethereum. So yeah, right now, nag-buy ako ng Ethereum dun sa area na yun sa 4,000. And look at that. Within a matter of hours, we are now back at 4.1K. So if you bought the dip, then actually that's a good thing. So yeah, congratulations if you've been buying the dip. And yeah, so far looking good tayo right now with the Bitcoin price. So yeah, so this is right now the Ethereum price action. So I think magkakaroon tayo ng buying. Yeah, that is already a buying opportunity. Look at that in the early time frame. Though wala pa tayong signs of any bullish trend reversal. So I think this is going to more likely consolidate pa dito further. Pwede kasi ito mag-decline pa one last time. Pag nag-decline to one last time, possible na magkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence. So right now yan ating i-monitor right now with the Bitcoin, with the Ethereum price action. So right now, that is for the Ethereum price action. Let's look at CRO. Kasi kay CRO, alam ko maraming gustong humabol kay CRO. And yun nga, it's actually still pretty looking strong pa din right now si CRO. So right now, nag-buy din ako ng CRO. Though ang pinaka-technical support talaga ng CRO ngayon is actually this 58 cents. Pero nagkaroon na tayo actually ng bounce at the 64 cents. Nag-buy na ako actually ng CRO right now. So that is for CRO. And yeah, after hitting our target dito sa ating Fibonacci resistance, Fibonacci retracement, nagkaroon na actually ng sell-off dyan. But as you can see, look at this. This is actually a good thing ha. Tingnan nyo to guys. Walang sell volume si CRO. So indicating na no one is selling their CRO token. So yeah, I think that's actually a pretty good thing if you're going to follow CRO. Wala nagsa-sell ngayon. Buy volume, wala pa masyadong buy volume, but yeah, this is still a good buy opportunity, but it's not the best if you're going to ask me. And yeah, look at that. Nagkaroon tayo na nag-oversold na ngayon si CRO. So that would indicate that it's a good buy opportunity. Let's look into different coins naman yung mga iba nagtatanong dyan. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat by clicking the $sign down below. So yeah, that is for the CRO price action. Tingnan natin yung comment section ngayon. Dogecoin daw, SLP, LRC, bullish divergence sa BTC for our time frame. Pa-confirm po, sir. Sige, let's quickly check that. Wala pang bullish divergence. Yeah, oo nga. May bullish divergence tayo sa 4-hour time frame. That's a good thing. That's a very good thing, guys. Look at this. Ngayon ko lang ito ulit napansin. Yeah, that is good. That's not bad. It's actually a good sign. Declining price, increasing RSI, that would indicate that that is a bullish trend reversal signal. So, yeah, I think this is pretty much a good thing right now for the Bitcoin price action. Axie Infinity daw. Sige, we're going to look into Axie Infinity then. Shake-off lang siguro to. Yeah, I think this is more likely a shake-off or siguro nagkaroon ng sabay-sabay na ideal understanding lahat na it's a Black Friday crypto sale. Sige, let's look at SLP muna. Sige, let's look at SLP following this. Ito. So, let's follow this and let's look at SLP USDT. So, look at this. SLP right now is still in a good window area pa din, no? Our support line is actually still pretty much holding very strong right now. So, right now, I think this is a good buying opportunity for SLP. Yeah, good buying opportunity. Nag-oversold tayo. Look at this. Remember, sabi ko sa inyo, the good buying opportunity for SLP is whenever we are in a 30 threshold scenario kay RSI. So, look at that. The 30 threshold indicating that that is a good buying opportunity right now for SLP. So, yeah, that is a good buy right now for SLP if you're going to ask me. So, ayan o. Meron tayo dyang oversold area. So, that would indicate na it's a good buy opportunity. And look at this. Yung ating previous analysis kay SLP, nag-play out siya exactly as predicted. Nagkaroon tayo ng pump after making out that bullish divergence. Kasi look at that. Declining price, increasing RSI, bullish divergence. So, we saw that play out exactly as predicted. And then, right now for SLP, as you can see, yeah, buying opportunity. Kasi look at that. 30 threshold. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, especially Ethereum, you can actually trade that with Bingbon kasi dito kay Bingbon, mas mura yung ating Bitcoin trading fees as compared to other platforms like Binance. Kasi diba, pag nag-trade ka ng Bitcoin kay Binance, sobrang laki ng fees ng Binance when it comes to Bitcoin trading. So if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, Bitcoin kasi yung pinakamadaling i-trade at saka yun yung pinakang consistent when it comes to analysis. So if you want to trade with Bingbon, you can actually use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. So yeah, that is for the SLP price action. And look at that. Let's look at this back again in the daily. You can see na we're still in that consolidation area and indicating that we are more likely going to see sideways movement pa din kay SLP. So that's a good thing. So right now, if you're actually into SLP, I don't think na it's a bad thing. I think it's a good thing that we are pretty much consolidating sideways right now for the SLP price action. And with that being said, let's look into Axie Infinity. So, Axis, USD. Wow, ang ganda nito. So, look at this, guys. So, ito yung swing trading chart. Ito yung moving average chart natin kay Axie Infinity. As you can see, Axie Infinity is still pretty much consolidating above this 100 moving average, indicating na we are still bullish. Hindi pa siya bearish. But let's try to look at this in our swing trade chart. So let's look at Axie USD. Yeah, look at this. Ang ganda ng consolidation area natin kay Axie Infinity. So right now, Axie Infinity is still consolidating. So right now, it's actually a good buying opportunity right now for Axie Infinity. And if we're going to look at our previous analysis, good buying opportunity ating $123 support. So right now, it's actually a good thing right now for if you're going to buy Axie Infinity. So that is actually a good thing to buy. May nagtatanong, low fees din po ba sa Bybit 30? Bala ko po kasi sana ilipat funds ko sa Bybit. Yup, mas mura din sa Bybit. And if you want to trade with Bybit and you want to claim bonus kay Bybit, you can actually use my sign up link na you can find the description down below. And meron din tayo actually guys na iPhone 13 giveaway. So if hindi pa kayo nakasali sa ating iPhone 13 giveaway, you can actually check our iPhone 13 giveaway in the description down below. You will find that link na meron tayong iPhone 13 giveaway. Sali lang kayo guys, hindi pa kayo nakasali. So yeah, that is for Axie Infinity. Right now, it's a good buying opportunity. So right now, everything is still looking good right now for the Bitcoin price action for Axie Infinity, Ethereum, CRO. Now let's look at another naman. Well, let's look at Cardano. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat. And yeah, if you want to support the channel lang, yeah, you can actually leave a donation. So actually, let's try to look at this in our MA chart for Cardano. And then let's look at this in the weekly. And then ayun na guys. Good buying opportunity right now for Cardano. Kasi look at this. May support tayo at the 50-week moving average, indicating na that is a good buying opportunity right now for the Cardano price action. So, yeah, nag-buy din ako ng Cardano, di ba guys? Sabi ko sa inyo. And look at that. Though hindi tayo nag-touch sa mismong support, possible pa din siya actually pumunta sa support. But if I think we're going to consolidate na dito with Cardano within this 1.5 up until the 1.5 to 1.75 area. So if you're going to zoom out with Cardano, it's just actually moving sideways. So not much to worry with the Cardano price action. Because look at that. That's actually not a bad thing. Especially we came off from a massive pump kay Cardano. And may mga nagtatanong, when are we going to flip bullish with Cardano? So since we broke the daily support, since na-break na natin yung ating daily time frame na support, the next thing na pwede nating tingnan in order for us to say na we are going to flip bullish is actually the weekly time frame. And if we're going to look at the Cardano price action, we are actually declining and forming an RSI resistance. So right now, we're going to flip bullish with Cardano if we are going to break this RSI resistance. So if na-break natin yan, then yeah, we are back bullish with Cardano. Let's look into other altcoins naman. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation. BNB, sir. Sige, let's look at BNB. So, let's look into our BNB chart. So, for BNB, we actually came off from this ascending channel nga din. So, yung ating monitor ascending channel. We started breaking down, but yeah, we are actually holding a strong support at the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, indicating that is a good buying opportunity right now for the Cardano, for the Binance coin price action. So, yeah. Right now, we are at the support level ngayon kay BNB. And na-meet natin yung target natin yesterday, which is the $648 US, exactly as predicted. So, congratulations guys if you have took some profit at that area. But right now for BNB, wala tayong signs of bullish trend reversal. Nag-oversold din tayo, but yeah, still no signs of a bullish trend reversal. But that is a good buying opportunity kasi nag-30 threshold tayo dito sa ating RSI. Matic, sige. VeChain, ADA, Matic, Gala. Siguro let's look at VeChain first. VetUSD. So, ngayon ko lang to actually makikita ulit yung chart natin kay Vet. Wow, guys. Ang ganda nito, guys. Yung ating previous analysis with VeChain is still playing out exactly. Kasi look at this. Yung ating previous analysis, meron tayong major support with VeChain, and that is actually the 10 cents area. So that would indicate that is a good buying opportunity. And as you can see, we saw that beautiful bounce exactly as predicted dito sa ating VeChain price action. So right now, good buying opportunity right now for VeChain yung ating, area na yan. So yeah, right now, I think we are looking good right now for VeChain. It's actually pretty much moving sideways. So yeah, I think magandang window opportunity itong si VeChain for the long term, especially na we are pretty much moving sideways. And ang next thing na kailangan natin makita dito is we need to form a bullish trend reversal signal or a bullish divergence. Na right now we are not yet seeing. Though you can say na this is starting to form na a bullish divergence, so that could indicate that is a bullish divergence. But on top of that, I think ang maganda tingnan dito is now we are forming this descending channel. So, if ma-break natin tong channel, then our target would be the top of the channel, which is around the 14 cents. In that case, maglalagay ako ng panibagong V-chain position dito if mag-break tayo to the upside. But right now, yun yung ating monitor with the V-chain price action. So that is for V-chain. Let's look into Matic naman. So, ang tagal na ng huling analysis natin with Matic. So, yeah, let's give you an update with Matic. So, as you can see right now, Matic is actually forming a strong support right now. So, previous resistance is going to act as a support level. So, ayun o. Meron tayong previous resistance. Ayun o. Resistance, 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 resistance is now going to act as a support, 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 support. And then right now, we are acting that one as a strong support for Matic. So, right now, that is also a good re-entry opportunity right now for Matic. And yeah, pretty much looking good pa din tayo kay Matic if you're going to ask me. So yeah, right now, there are still no bullish trend reversal signals dito for Matic. But if you're going to look at the early, it indicated that that was a good buying opportunity, especially dito sa ating early time frame. Bakit di po kayo gumagamit ng MACD? Gumagamit ako actually ng MACD, but yung MACD, ginagamit ko siya more of a confirmation indicator. Hindi kasi, si MACD kasi ano siya eh. It's a delaying indicator. Si MACD kasi, nag-form na siya. Mag-form yung signal ni MACD once na nabuo na yung, once nag-play out na yung ating signal. So, let's say, nagkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence and breakout. Yung galaw ni MACD, mag-form pa lang siya after ng breakout. So, medyo late na yun. So, I think, if you're going to follow MACD, I think that is more of a confirming signal. But yeah, I also use MACD. So, let's look at Gala naman. Gala USD. No, let's use Binance. So, right now, nagkaroon tayo ng, nagkaroon tayo ng bearish divergence. We tried breaking down, but we are actually holding a strong support with the Gala price action at the 36 cents. So, we saw that bounce. And right now, what's next for Gala? Well, to understand what's next for Gala, I think what we can do right now is we can draw another Fibonacci retracement. Kasi na-meet na natin yung Fibonacci retracement target dito eh. So, yeah, let's try to draw ano ba yung next Fibonacci retracement. So, let's draw from the previous high to the lowest low. So, right now, our next target for Gala is actually the 84 cents. And then, right now, 93 cents. So, $1 Gala, can't say pa. Pero right now, highest possible area ngayon natin for Gala is actually the 94 cents area. So, yun yung aking masasabi ko for Gala. AVAX daw, AVAX. CRO, tapos na tayo kay CRO, you can actually scroll back to this video na pag-usapan natin si CRO. So right now, for CRO, ay for AVAX, nagkaroon pala tayo actually ng double top dito kay AVAX. After trying to do this, double top, movement to the downside. In that case, our target would be this area. So, na-meet yung target, indicating na that was a double top around the $112. But right now, buying opportunity kasi nag-oversold sa early, of course, as usual. So, right now, buying opportunity right now for AVAX. So, if I were you, I would be buying AVAX. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat by clicking the $ down below. So let's go back to Bitcoin naman. Balikan natin si Bitcoin price action natin. Nagkakaroon tayo ng massive rebound ngayon sa Bitcoin People are currently buying the dip. Sana nakapag-buy kayo ng dip. Tingnan ko lang yung aking binay ko ngayon sa Bybit. Nag-buy ako actually sa Bybit ng Bitcoin. Hopefully naka-profit na ako kay Bybit. Especially na nagkaroon tayo ng dip and then nag-buy the dip ako. Yeah, actually in profit na kagad, mabilis. Yun yung power ng buying the dip. Napakabilis ng profit niya. Especially it's a compounding profit. So sa mga hindi so ayun actually nag-enter ako ng $2,000 worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum dito kay Bybit. So ay napakita ko konti. $2,000 yung pinasok ko ngayon kay Bitcoin and Ethereum kay Bybit. Yeah. How about 1 inch? What does trend reversal indicate? Trend reversal signal should be somewhat of a declining price while the RSI is increasing. Then that would indicate that we are going to see a bullish trend reversal signal, which is right now for the Bitcoin price. We are currently seeing that playing out. We are currently seeing declining prices declining while the RSI increasing. RSI is increasing, indicating that could be a bullish trend reversal signal for the Bitcoin price action. So right now, I think we can delete this previous analysis kasi it's already playing out. So that is for the Bitcoin price action. Let's look at other coins naman. Thanks, Prills Jane 7 for the donation. I highly appreciate that. 0.84 po ba TP sa Gala? Kakasabi ko lang kanina, you can actually scroll back kung ano yung sinabi ko with regards to Gala. Ano pa suggestion nyo, guys? CRO, okay na tayo kay CRO. Let's go back to Ethereum. Gusto ko tingnan ulit yung price action Ethereum. CRO rebounding to and guys, yung iPhone 13 giveaway natin, if hindi pa yung nakasali, you can actually find this in the description down below. Let's look at other altcoins naman. Mana daw. May Mana. Sige, let's look at Mana. This is not a good thing na makita natin kay Mana. Increasing price, declining RSI. That's not a good thing if you're going to ask me. As much as possible, we don't want the RSI to decline dito. But yeah, right now for Mana, di pa natin siya actually mabibigyan ng exact price target. But sige, let's try to do a quick analysis. So let's do a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the lowest low. Take profit area actually see $5.5. $5.58. It's a take profit area for Mana. And right now, I don't see any next move pa. Let's try to draw another Fibonacci retracement. So right now, sa itong panibagong Fibonacci retracement, you can actually see na as for Mana, We actually have a strong support at the 4.4 US dollars. 4.4 actually is a good re-enter opportunity, which is yun nga, 4.4 is a good support. Resistance is actually the 4.99, and then as well as the 6.7 US dollars. Technical target for mana, you can actually see na pwede tayo actually umabot ng 6.72 US dollars, 9.5 US dollars, as well as 12 US dollars kay mana. Following this dito. Pero right now, it's pretty much overbought, especially in the daily time frame. So it's not a good time to buy mana. Good time to buy is for Ethereum. Look at that, oversold. CRO, oversold na din. So that's a good thing to buy din. BNB, tapos na din tayo kay BNB. Dogecoin. Sige, let's look at Dogecoin. Actually, you have a point nga na ano. May nagsabi na, Doge po sir, matagal na yung consolidation niya. Actually, true. Thanks, Brian Baliwag, for the donation. Black Friday sale. Yeah, it's actually Black Friday sale. I hope you've been buying the dip. Dito kay CRYPTOMARKET. And still, look at this, guys. Consolidating pa din si Dogecoin. Pwede mo siya i-equate to a stablecoin na eh. Maganda actually magbodega ng Dogecoin if it's actually moving sideways for a very long time. So yeah, I think this is a good opportunity to buy Dogecoin. But remember, meme coins you should trade meme coins for fun and don't take them na sobrang seryoso. Kasi of course, they're all for fun. Sila Dogecoin. But yeah, it's actually moving sideways within this consolidation area. So that, I think, is actually a good buy. Shiba Inu daw. Sige, let's look at SHIB. Not this. Not FTX. Let's use Coinbase. Hindi, pakitin yung Coinbase niya. Maganda yung kay Binance siguro. Yeah, kay Binance tayo. So as for Shiba Inu, let's try to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the lowest low. So right now, yung current support natin is actually the 4014. Pero since na-break natin yan, our next support would be the 3290. So right now, for SHIB, yun yung ating buy opportunities. Hindi pa oversold kay Shiba Inu. Wala tayong bullish reversal signals. So, there's no signs of pumping for Shiba Inu. Yeah, no signs of pump pa. Let's look at Polkadot. And guys, if you want to support the channel, you can actually leave a donation dito sa ating YouTube Super Chat by clicking the $ down below. So let's look at DOT naman. And as you can see, meron tayong ascending channel na we have started breaking down. But right now, we are also having a strong support right now for a Polkadot price action. And you can see na meron tayong actually support at this price range. So ayun na, meron tayong support at that area. Let's hide the Fibonacci retracement. So right now, ang good buying opportunity for Polkadot is actually $34. But right now, nonetheless, it's currently at a good buying opportunity. And look at that. Exacto yung bounce niya dito sa Polkadot price action. Indicating na $34 was indeed the best buying opportunity for Polkadot. But yeah, right now, that is for Polkadot. Axie Infinity, tapos na tayo kay Axie Infinity, guys. All you have to do is just to scroll back. And then let's look at Bitcoin ulit bago natin i-end yung live. Siguro let's cut the live short kasi medyo late na din. So, looking at this with the Bitcoin price action, you can see na forming bullish divergence. And looking at this with our swing tradable chart. Let's look at this in this one, swing trade chart. I mean yung itong chart. Look at this, guys. So I think we are inching closer and closer to the 20-week moving average din kay Bitcoin. Ang ganda ng chart natin dito kay Bitcoin, no? Everything is accurate. And look at that. Right now, 20-week moving average is going to act as a strong support dito for the Bitcoin price action, which is currently sitting right now at the 51K. But in the next week, it can rise up until the 52,000 and 54. But looking at this in the daily time frame, you can actually see na meron tayong major support at the 100 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, in the daily time frame. So, right now, it's actually a good buy for the Bitcoin price action. And, yeah, you can say that this is a falling wedge or falling channel. Either way, it's still a declining price. And the next thing na kailangan makita natin dito is we need to see a bullish trend reversal signal. So, right now, RSI must increase in order for us to see a bullish trend reversal signal. So, ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and hopefully sana nakatulong itong emergency live natin. So if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more, and sali kayo sa ating iPhone 13 giveaway. If di pa kayo nakasali, you can actually find this in the description down below. And if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible or any altcoins na sobrang mura yung trading fees, you can actually trade that with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees, and you can actually find that in the description down below. And if you want to stake CRO or Crypto.com's native token CRO, you can actually use my sign-up code, which is GabsCrypto. And yeah, just use my sign-up code that you can find in the description down below, or use my sign-up code, which is GabsCrypto. And you can claim up to $50 bonus with Crypto.com. And you can also, and you will be also entitled to our future raffles with Crypto.com. So yung update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative,